dropping famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank y'all so much for stopping by to watch another one of my videos. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with Ali Pearl Hair. They were so nice enough to send me out one of their pre-style wigs. This is everything that came in my packaging. So for this wig, they sent me out a pre-style wig, as I mentioned earlier. As you can see, it comes already in a half up, half down style with the trendy braided parts, which is really cute and is very trendy currently. This wig does come pre-plucked, and it also comes pre-bleached, and also the lace comes pre-cut. So this wig is literally a ready to wear, ready to go wig. You can wear this wig 100% glueless. It does come with an elastic band, and this wig cap, or the wig cap, is a dome cap style, so it fits very snug to your head. The lace on this wig, if I'm not mistaken, it is HD lace. It has to be HD lace with how thin the lace is and how well it melted in when I applied it. So yeah, y'all, when I applied this wig, I only used bedhead hardhead hairspray to adhere the wig down. But I showed you, I want to say at the beginning of the video, and also at the end of the video, you'll be able to see me put the comb and slide it underneath the wig, so you can see that you can wear this glueless if you would like. But again, I use bedhead hard hairspray just to adhere it down and give it a much better melt. When I say this wig was so easy to install, y'all, it was super easy. And again, because of the dome cap that they used to construct this wig, it fits to my head seamlessly. Now, underneath my cap, I do not have my hair braided, so the wig was more snug than it would have if I had my hair braided down. But if you do have your hair braided down and your hair is not super thick, this wig will fit you perfectly. Like I said, it comes ready to wear. You don't have to do anything but take this wig out of the box, put it on, and fix it up to your liking, bump it out a little bit. I didn't have any creases in the wig, so I didn't even have to use my straightening iron if I didn't want to. But just, you know, to get it a little bit more polished, I did. But like, this wig was just, I mean, I'm sorry to keep talking in circles, but it was just mind-blowing how easy this wig was to apply. And again, the super trendy, cute style was just the cherry on top. I loved it so much, y'all. Like, for somebody like me that does not do any type of braiding or anything like that, it was really nice to get a pre-style wig where I didn't have to do anything but just slap it on my head and go. So yes, y'all, if any of you are interested in this wig, or if any of you all are interested in Ali Pearl Hair, I do have all of their information and links down in my description box. So be sure to check them out. Tell them Alexis sent you all. And yes, I'm going to get out of here. Ali Pearl Hair, I'm going to thank y'all so much for sending me out this wig and allowing me to try out this wig. I loved it so much. I appreciate it. The hair was super soft, y'all. I didn't get any snagging, any tangling, anything like that. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the clips. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one.
calling. None of that could ever make